Are you ready? Game on!
Jacobin!
Ryan's up.
I think we're ready.
All right,
Let's do this, chumps. Well, I'm not even on your team.
What?
Let's go. That means yes.
That's the name Jihad Joe.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit.
Okay, cameraman. Game plan is spray and pray it like last time.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
It's okay, we got this. We got this.
That's not how you hold a gun, Barrett. And dude, he's like right there. You can pick him up from here. No, it's cool.
Hey, fuck.
Ball's head! Hey, Chris! Hey, Chris!
Yo, come back for you.
Soup, guys.
I love it with that scope.
I love the scope, though.
Let's just go trade like every 5 rounds. Well, not 5 rounds.
Yeah, that's too much.
Two.
Yeah, I'm cool, too.
Okay.
Hey, Chris!
Oh, he said you could use his gun next round because he said he'd done.
Oh, sweet deal.
Sean.
Yeah?
Jihad Joe left side, far. Also this guy, far left, right?
I can't see him.
Got him. Nice. Barrett, you suck! Don't mind me, I'm just passing through.
What up?
Not much, G. That's a fucking large gun.
There's nothing. Leave on changes.
Good work, Shay. Hey, Bo. I think I see a couple BBs lying around here. No. So, how's it going?
I think okay.
Really?
Once they got Barrett, I think they thought I wasn't here, so.
Good job, Barrett.
What?
You might have gotten him.
What?
Oh wait, no you didn't. You fucking suck, Barrett.
My gun's almost dead.
That's no excuse.
Dude, what's the bird?
Holy shit.
What is wrong with that bird? Do it. I'm not gonna shoot the bird.
That's one ballsy ass bird.
Dude, get the fuck away from me, bird. Who's holding the bird?
Cause it's fucking interesting.
Straight in front of us. Straight in front.
I need to reload.
Yeah.
Where?
How did you get hit?
How's it going over here?
Come here, left.
Where you going to?
Where are they? One's bottom right.
One's one right, one's up in the tower. Up the west tower.
Okay, there's
There's another one in the top right.
There's someone.